Welcome everyone. Once again, it's Team with Irvin here. Welcome to another session. Today is Tuesday, first day of the month of August. No, September 1st, right? Not August. Sorry about that. September 1st, 2020. Today, you guys gonna be getting a lot of brand new monthly setup, letting you know the market it is getting ready to give you a brand new master trend. So in my opinion is just wait for more dots in order for you to take those trades. So we are gonna be, the title of this class is top 4 best forex trading entry, which is, as you guys know, is 4 hours daily, weekly, and monthly. And we are, I titled this one because I saw a lot of you guys doing some amazing snipers trades there. Shout out to Liana, shout out to Ali, shout out to Albus. There's a lot of great team here, basically trading as a sniper. I'm very proud of you guys. So that's why it is how to get a sniper trading entries using our multiple time frame system. All right, so let's go. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and let me see if you guys want to unmute yourself. Let's go straight up to the question, and so like that we can see if I can answer any of your question. And look at that. Look at that. USD CHF has a signal as a buy on the weekly. That's good. So that means you can go to any lower time frame. Boom, trade is in there. So basically the best 4 time frame, guys, just as a reminder, it is, as you guys know, we use our, oops, I closed everybody's name here. Let me put that in here. As you guys know, we use 4 hours daily, weekly, and monthly. Whatever these 4 multiple time frames is telling us the market is doing, believe it or not, any baby time frame from 1 hour to 5 minutes, the market will be performing. For instance, right now, look at here. We don't have no fully confirmation yet. The market, it isn't a fully sell yet. The signal just pop in, but we are missing what? We are missing, let me grab the right tool. We are missing dots, right? Which is gonna confirm that support and resistance is fully valid. But as we see it here, it's just forming, but it's not fully ready yet to drop. But even though that is there, you can go to any lower time frame. Let's say your favorite time frame is 30 minutes. So let me delete this. Oops, come on. Let me delete all this time frame here. You go to any lower time frame, you basically always gonna be in profit. So this is what we draw it. For some reason, it's not popping in the box that I draw. So you would enter here. This is what I'm seeing a lot of you guys really killing the market. When you guys already in profit, please always move your trailing stop. It's very important. Look, this is the analysis that I gave you guys on Sunday. Yeah, 2 days ago, right? Look, so far it performed exactly what I told you. I said the market was gonna come back and retest that area. Boom. Look at that. That was 64 pip. Could be $64, could be $6,000, could be 640 bucks, could be 30 bucks, could be $5, could be tons of money. And then the market was gonna reverse back. But why did I say the market was gonna reverse from this area? Pay attention to this. All this area here, it was touching, like bouncing. Bing, 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 boom. And then the market was supposed to go off. It's that simple. No matter what, if you find an amazing setup, look at here. This is the box that I draw on the 30 minute. Whatever you have here, it has to perform it on the lower time frame because the larger time frame control the small one. So what control 4 hours? One hour, daily control 1 hour, weekly control 1 day, and monthly control 1 week. It's always like that. Don't assume the 5 minutes gonna control 5 minutes. I mean 4 hours. Neither 50 minutes, neither 30 minutes, neither 1 hour. It's always gonna be larger to small. So monthly to weekly, weekly to daily, daily to 4 hours, 4 hours to 1 hour. Okay, so never go backward. Even though some traders love to teach backward, but I mean, if you find success that way, it's good, but I don't recommend you to do that. But look at that. So far, it is exactly what I told you. Let's say this is what Mr. Ali loved. Well, Mr. Ali just copied this trade. Look at here. This is gorgeous, guy. And this one, we know that this trade here is doing us a what? We know for sure that this is a pullback because it's going against the trend. The trend here is bearish. So in here, the signal come in. This is what we're not seeing on GBP Canadian. Someone sent me a message early this morning about GBP Canadian that it shut out on the other side and they got stopped out. I mean, things is gonna happen. So no matter what we're gonna be doing on this market, there's things that market will always is always gonna get our money no matter what. Look at here. Let me delete this. Look at here, brothers and sisters come in, but the benefit here is what? The benefit here is that we had dot. This is what I told the person that sent me that message. I said, look, if you are in down, when the brothers and sisters come in, wait for that pullback to reverse and re-enter on the market once you see the continuation of the brothers and sisters, which is gonna be this arrow here. It could be on the sell or either could be on the buy. So you can always re-enter here and you're gonna re-enter here with more confidence. But some people don't have the time, the patience to be waiting on this one. So that is, I mean, there's nothing I can do if you don't have the patience, because some people just want to make money. They think trading every day is the solution of this. No, all you need is 1 or 2 trades in a whole week to make money. Look, so far, yesterday evening, I closed what I wanted to make by Friday. I mean, it was good. Euro USD, guys, is paying me so well. I make money on the first spike out, and then I put another 7 trades coming down. Boom, I knock it off. This morning, I put another sell, guy. No, that yesterday night, I put another sell. This morning, it is freaking amazing. It's still dropping. It's just, look, only that trade closed my whole goal that I have it by Friday. Sometimes it's just gonna be like that. What I'm gonna do the rest of the week? Well, I can just chill, but I'm gonna find some other entries because I'm still on it. If the market reverse, sure. I mean, it's fine, but I'm happy with the winning right now. But the same thing will happen here. When that, look at here right now as we speak, that one shift out to the lowest one. So now it's giving us a new one, right? So what is going to happen now is this is bullish. You see, real time is going up slowly, 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 slowly. And this is what I told you guys on Sunday. I said on Sunday, what the market was gonna be, it's gonna still drop a few more candle, and then the market was gonna go as a bullish. Right now, that's what it's doing. It's not doing anything else. It's doing exactly what I told you. Pay attention to another example. This is another video that I gave you guys on Sunday. USD JPY. What did I say on that day? Let me delete this. I don't even know what the trend is on this one. I think it's bearish. Anyway, this is how you do it. Look, always go to the weekly. Boom, 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 boom. We know it's bullish, right? So, and then go back to 4 hours. So if you want to do like a sneak peek of what the market is doing, always use any larger time frame and come back to your 4 hours. And then you already got the answer. So for instance, I delete that. I delete the setup. God damn it. Shit. Sorry, guys. Oh my God, I didn't want to do that, but it happens. Let's go to the next one then. But anyway, this one is a bullish market. Bullish? Yeah, it's a bullish market. Pay attention here. This is what I told that person this morning once again. If this is too late, it's way too up. If it left the brothers and sisters, just wait for the pullback to be over. Obviously, this is a pullback. I will re-enter in the market once I see the 4 hours and daily. Look at right now as we speak. This just closed right now. This pullback here just closed. This candle closed on the 4 hours, right? So right now, this is the candle that is active right now. So right now we are on what? We are in a bearish. But right now we are going against the trend. So always try to re-enter. If the market is bullish, only go bullish. Look at here. Brothers and sisters come in. Let's say this one, you missed it. Wait for that pullback to be over. Re-enter here and go with the trend. It's that simple. I think Eliana she was doing great. Uh, who was the other person? Alvin, Ali. Is a ton of you guys, man. It's just sometimes I mean, market will give you amazing thing, but you have to practice patience. This business is all about patience. It's nothing else. Look at what Euro GBP is doing. What is the master trend on this one? I got no idea, guys. But let's go to the weekly. And then let's go to shift end. Look at that. Quick. Boom, boom, boom. It's bearish, right? Is it? Looks what? No, it looks bullish. See that? It's right here on the bottom. So we'll go back to 4 hours. Then we can analyze the market in a better position. Look at this is what I was telling you. Since today is the very first day of August or September, there will be a lot of screwed up. What? Look at this. A lot of brand new month. This is a new month here. But the question here is, look at how separate it is. Yes, it would be awesome if this guy would it be in continuation of this one here. But there's a huge cap in here. In my opinion, this is weird. So I will call this as a still in a bullish position. Obviously, right now we're translating this as a what? We're translating as a pullback. So I will wait. Right now, the market is trending down. There's nothing you can do. There's no entry. There's nothing you can do. Wait for it. Most likely, it's gonna come back and retest all this area here. So from there, we may have a continuation of the 4 hours here going green, right? Then what are you gonna do next? Then now you're going with a wave. And anyway, this will correct and it will come back and retest this area here again. And then from that area, market was still gonna have room to drop and then boom, market's gonna go back up. But it will take the whole month of September. And pay attention, man. The whole month of September, there's gonna be a lot of uh, I love sales, and you guys gonna see a lot of great sales, man. But either if it's gonna go against the trend, it's up to you if you really want to trade pullback. If not, oh, I forgot I was live on YouTube. If not, it's up to you. Do you use MACD? No, I don't. We use biggest. We use multiple time frame system here. Totally forgot that I was uh, on uh, on YouTube. Look at here, AUD USD, guys. This is another great example here. Look at this. This is an amazing one to explain. So the question here is, obviously, we know that this is not a valid sell. So let's zoom in. Look at this one. Boom. We know what we're looking for, this, guys. This is what we're looking. Look at here, YouTubers as well. We're looking here. We're looking for all the confirmation of a what? Of our multiple time frame. This is the best 4 time frames to trade: 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. Perfect setup in here. We know the market is bullish. 1, 2. Look at this. This is what I want you to trade. Look at that, going with the trend. Look at this, guys. That's what the money is. Look at that. Look at this move here. Crazy. Look at here, it was small. It's fine. Look at here. It repeats over and over and over again. Now the question here is, what is the market doing right now? Because this is real time. I like you guys to always analyze the market in real time. So real time right now, let me delete all this noise here, because it's not gonna help you anymore. I'm gonna leave the 4 hour daily, weekly, monthly in there. Oops. Look at here. This is what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was gonna drop from that area. Nope. Market shut out. Why do you think the market shut out, went up more? Simply because the master trend is in a bullish market. If the master trend is bullish, obviously it's always gonna go bullish. If it's bearish, then it will go bearish. Then it have more room to drop. Look at right now. Do you guys see any dots confirming this? Obviously, it's forming. It's dropping slowly, but most likely what it's gonna do is gonna reverse back. Then we're gonna have 1 or 2, 3 dots in there. Then market finally is gonna drop. Yeah, I mean, this is fine. If you would have put what, 80 pips on this one, I don't think the market, you still would have been in it. Look, that's only 48. If you would have a less than 75 pip, 80 pip, you still would have been in it. This trade is still valid. Still, right now, you would have been breaking even, almost breaking even. So right now it's fine. But this trade is fine. If I had to reanalyze it again, obviously it's gonna do that. It's gonna reverse, come back. But there's no signals yet telling you there. Yes, the market is in a pullback. All we know is market is dropped. All right. Let's go ahead and open question. Let's see what CHS JPY is doing. Look at this one, guys. This is what I gave. Oh, this is good. This is good. This is what we're looking for. Pay attention to this one here. This is what we're looking for. This is CHF JPY. This one here, it meets our expectation. This is what we're looking for in this business. Look at that. Boom. Then we got what? Daily and weekly all line up together. And who else? The month of who? This is, let me write it down because there's a lot of newbies watching us on YouTube. This is the month of September here. The month of September is telling us the market is doing what? Market, it is in a bearish position. You seeing it? Market is doing it exactly what I told you. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was going to be bullish. Why? Because this guy was here. Then yes, market shut out, fine. And then it gave us this September month. Then right now, in real time right now, the market is doing exactly what I told you, nothing else. Let me see what Bigger says. Does your new scanner make your trading more consistently in terms of winning? It's Biggest, it's all about rules. We care about what 4 hours daily, weekly, monthly is doing. You can have the best scanner in the world. But look, I don't want any scanner to be reading any lower time frame for what? If you don't know the whole picture of what the market is doing, you're always going to be in doubt. Like this is a perfect example based on all the examples that I just did earlier. This is what we're looking for. We're trading with rules. If you have rules on trading, this is it. This is a bad example. Pay attention. AUD, USD, this is a bad trade here. This is another bad trade as well. This is another bad trade. No, this is good. This one I forgot. I have to go back to my YouTube video and see what I did here. Let me see. Someone is texting. Who is that? Oh, that's Ileana. All right. This is another bad trade here. I think, no, this is US peso. This is good. This is just doing a pullback. All we know, we can fund out in second. We don't take that long. Look at this one. But AUD USD, this is a bad trade. But CHS JPY is what we're looking for. This is what we're looking for in multiple time frame. We're looking for setups like that. That's why when you find clean setup like that, that's why the market is dropping right now. It's not doing anything else. But you have to be patient. What is the key number one in this business? It's patient. You got no patience, the market will humble you. All right. Let's go. Let's see if Elliott, let's go ahead and start asking questions. Elliott's always
Irving,
first. What's going on, Mr.
how's it hanging,
Elliott?
buddy?
Let's go. What's your
I got
question,
some
sir?
questions. Um, could you look at the
Are you there?
you
Hold on.
you can't hear
Let
me?
me unmute. All right, I hear you now. Go ahead.
Am I coming in loud and clear?
Now we're good.
Oh, good. Can you look at the euro yen, please?
Eurogen, sure. Let me go to the one that I messed up because come on. Come on. Let me open it brand new. What were you doing on that one?
Well, I'm a little bit confused on that one because see, I had the master trend as bullish, but on Sunday's video, the talk was going short. So I don't understand where I
Oh,
messed up.
you have to realize one thing, Elliot. What I do on YouTube gets everything. YouTube, to be honest, this is what YouTube gets. Because I want you to understand. I want to tell you to the world when the market is going up and down. They don't know what you know.
Okay.
So right now you're trading with rules. So like for instance, this pair here, I don't even know what's the master trend is.
What
Always
is it?
if
Yeah,
I
I
think
have it as bullish.
right, still bullish. So now we see it's bullish, right? So you got rules, so you know what you're doing here.
Okay. All right.
Now the question here is because this is a good question. This is I think I did this earlier. Yeah, that was the same one. Look at here, brothers and sisters are okay here. What are
Right.
we missing here? There's a huge cup in there.
Yeah, it doesn't look
This
good.
guy was supposed to be here, right?
Over there. Right. Exactly. They're
And
two
look at what the
spaced
month.
apart.
Yeah, look at what the monthly is. They're all over the place. So in my opinion, now market is still trending up. There's no
Right.
clear indication here. So the month of September is still gonna be bullish. Right now, what are we seeing right now, Mr. Elliott?
Well, we've got the 4 hour. We've got brothers and sisters asking for a pullback.
Exactly. This is a PV. That's what we're doing. So what if, let's say that once that pullback is over, because we don't know how, most likely it's gonna start reversing from this area here, right? So once, what are we looking here to go in order to go in favor of the trend? Because in my opinion, I agree with you. The trend is still in a bullish position, right? So we're looking for what?
We're looking for a green 4 hour arrow and a couple of dots.
Hold on, I'm trying to draw it, but I'm not a good drawing. Gosh, hold on, let me draw this. There you go. Let me see. Yeah, we're looking for a green dot in, I mean green arrow in there. Then we're looking for 1 or 2 or 3 dots. This
Right.
is a continuation of your trend.
Right. Yes.
But right now, this is a good question, to be honest. This is a good one. But always remember that you to the world get every single movement of the market because they don't need, if they want to join us, it's different.
Right.
But you guys trade with rules. So for instance, in here, this is a pullback. So the question is, and you like, do you want to trade pullback? Yes or no?
If I did, I would trade it for 20 pips, but I don't usually trade pullbacks.
Right. That's good. And the PDF, everybody should have the PDF by now. It
Right.
was pinned on the chat room. Print it out. That will help you out because I circle every brothers and sisters sent in with the 4 hours going in favor of your trend. It's just about patience. Some people don't have that patience. There's nothing I can do.
Hey,
Now,
Irv.
I'm not
Irv,
quite done
Irv.
yet. Give me one more
Okay,
second.
go ahead. Go
Thanks,
ahead.
man. Thanks. Irvin, I just want to ask you one other thing about scanning and patience. So, do you look at the chart every 4 hours to see if the trend has now gone with the master trend? So maybe you could get into a trade. I'm having a little difficulty with that part.
All right.
You know
Everybody,
how?
everybody write this down. This is how I do it. This is how I save the template. Exactly how you're seeing it right now. All you do is this. Open your market watch. All you do is, let's say, grab and drop. Grab and drop. And you write it down. You go like, oh, look at this one. It's freaking amazing. But look, it's missing the weekly. And this is all you do. You write it down on a piece of paper. And you go, okay, you go AUD Canadian doing a pullback. No, I don't care. You go AUD CHF. You're gonna scan the market. You can scan the
That's
market. It will not take you not even 10 minutes.
No, that's what I do. The question that I'm asking is a little bit different. It's so I've got the master trend, and let's say whatever currency it is, it's in a pullback right now,
Right
which
now.
I don't want to trade. I want to wait for the, for the reversal to go in the direction of the master trend. I'm missing the arrow oftentimes because sometimes it appears 4 o'clock in the morning my time. Do you? is there a better way to do that? Once I've done my scan of the market and I've written down everything master trend and whether something's in a pullback or whether it's ready, ready for a trade, then what do I do? Do I come back to my charts every 4 hours and see what's going on, or?
Look, I scan the market only once a week. I mean, I do it on Sunday. Look, out of all these trades that I scanned on Saturday and the pre-week and the full week analysis that I did for you guys, I took only one trade this week, guys. And that was Euro USD. That's
Hey,
it.
Irvin, I got a solution for him. A lot of the times, man, you have to set alerts from when it hits that, but when it crosses your price, and then so you set an alert or a buy stop or a sell stop, or a buy limit or a sell limit, and that's how you won't miss the trade if you're not paying attention.
Yeah, but you still got to go and analyze it. You remember that. Just because the alert come in, you got to go and check.
Well, if I'm not mistaken, he's talking as if he's already analyzed it, and he's just not trying to miss that moment.
Exactly. You're right.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Right. So that's where you have to put you learn how to put your buy stops and sell stops, buy limits and sell limits in place.
Look,
And that way, when price hits your number, it automatically puts you in the trade.
Yep.
Okay, great. But the only question I have about that is if it's reversing and I'm not taking on a reversal trade, I don't know how far it's going to reverse down before it turns around to put in a limit order. So I guess I have to scan the charts every 4 hours or so to update to see when I get my arrow, or I'm misunderstanding you.
Once you can find your support and resistance zones, you kind of have a indication of where it's going or where it's going to stop. Then you look to the left and you can kind of gauge where it's going to stop, and you know where you want to put your buy limit in, or you know where you want to get in the trade. You don't want to get in on the pullback, so you'll put your buy stop, a little bit closer towards the trend, towards the change of the trend, and catch it right when it changes. It'll run right into your purchase, and it'll pick you up, and you'll pick up on the trade as it goes your way. I've done it a few times, man. It's a little tricky because it's not necessarily. It could go and then it could pull back before it goes again. Right. But it's a risk you're taking.
Well, when you're looking at the support and resistance, are you looking at your lines on the chart? Seeing where it's peaked and, kind of like, look, this chart that's up right now. Would you put your buy stop somewhere in the area of the red arrow to the left? That one. Is that what you mean?
I would put my buy stop. I like to catch it at the bottom. So that green right arrow at the bottom on the right.
Okay. Yeah.
I will put a buy stop probably at that second level, at that first or second level.
Okay.
And that way, once it start going, and you see your level of your resistance and support right there at the bottom. So you put your buy stop right above it.
Yeah, and this arrow has an alert as well. All arrows has an alert. So if you want to ignore all the rest of the alert, it's fine. You can just activate only one, and that will trigger to your phone as well.
Yeah, I still got to learn how to use those alerts.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, they get kind of tricky.
Yeah, but that was a good one. That was a good
Irvin,
one.
I wanted to know that 50 moving average you got on there? I see you got it red and green.
Yeah, this is the 200.
200 SMA or EMA?
You know what? I'm having some issue. I was having an issue with my computer early this morning, but I didn't want to restart it. So there's some things that I will not be able to show you. You see, everything is kind of like coming weird. Unless if I restart the computer, it will give me everything. But you can change it. This MSA moving average, you can change it however you want it. You can change it to 50. This is what you can do. I don't know what moving average you guys like, but I love the 100, 200. So I have my on 100 and I have another one on 200. So you can have only one to be in one color or two different colors. And like that, when they cross over, then that's an indication. But this one right now is on 100.
That's what I'm noticing. You got two colors on one MA, and I
No,
only can do that I only can do that using Trading View.
yeah,
Actually using
but thi-
MetaTrader MT4, I
but
have to use multiple MAs.
this moving average here reads
Hmm.
the brothers and sisters. For instance, let's go here. That's when they change it to red and green. Pay attention to this one. See,
Oh, okay,
brothers and
okay,
sisters
okay.
come in, boom, 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 it hit that. Brothers and sisters come in, boom, green. Brothers and sisters come in, red. Brothers and sisters come in, green, and repeat
Oh,
over again.
okay. That's a
Right
part
now,
of this.
look,
Oh,
this is real time, right? Oops, let me go here. Real time right now, a cell is forming, right? So look, this is cannot be more perfect than this one. So brothers and sisters pop in there. Who else just turned red? UMA. That's what it's reading. So you got multiple way. But remember, you can change this from support and resistance to number 8. By default, it comes on 12. And that's how it's gonna read it. Are you still there?
okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Appreciate that.
Yeah.
I got that simplicity system, so my arrows are a little different.
Yes, a different system. This is different.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a good system, but yeah. All right, good. Anybody else? Let me read. Sasha, we're here live on our chat room. So if you want to come and ask question, you can join. Go back to the Telegram group and join the link. So.
Oh, don't worry, Irving. I'm on both. I don't know why I always do that, but I always do that.
Okay. You got any question? Are you going to the description on the YouTube video? Yeah, I mean, we just talking about
I
it.
got another question for you, Irvin.
Yeah, go ahead.
You said trading off those higher time frames.
Right.
Man, I'm working on my patience, but to me, waiting on a daily candle or a weekly or a monthly, man, that's like watching. Yeah, that's like trying to feel your hair grow. It
No, it's
takes
not.
a long.
No, it's not.
Maybe I have to practice it. Maybe I have to practice it because I don't see how that could be a quick entrance, or it takes a while for those things to move.
It's better, man. Like look at what Elliott said in this one. Elliott said the market was bullish, doing a reversal. He knows exactly. Boom, done, game over. So the thing is, they're gonna pop in. Right now, we're looking at the daily. The system, once you scan the market, you will know what the market is doing. Like right now, you see, patient is obviously once you enter, everybody wants to win immediately. It's not gonna happen that way. So right now, we see the 4 hours and daily they meet together. So, but yes, we know this is a pullback. What are we missing in this pullback in order to be fully a sell trade? Because suddenly this is where it can happen. Suddenly the market can still boom and still pull back up. Why? Because the overall trend is bullish. So we're looking only to bet up, not down. But right now, in order for this one to be fully valid, we need 1 or 2 or 3 dots. Then it will reinforce the brothers and sisters. Then finally, the market is going to come back, and most likely it's going to come and retest its 23 Fibonacci. Then the market will continue as a bullish.
Okay. I'm so used to trading on the lower time frames and losing. I need to learn how to trade on the higher time frames and win.
But look, this is the benefit of the larger time frame, because the larger time, whatever the larger time frame is doing, it will be performing on any lower time frame. Right now, brothers and sisters are in here. Let's say, look, there's no dots in there, nothing like that. So what is your favorite time frame?
I tend to like the 1 hour.
All right, cool. So what do you think is in 1 hour right now? Look at what you're seeing. You're predicting this is a sell. So you got a 1 hour right now. The picture's a lot clear. Oh, I select the wrong too. Come on, man. Look at you see the green box didn't transfer, but it's here. Look, not even 1 hour is fully ready to go yet. There, the 4 hours clearly, but still it's also drawing error. I mean, it's not fully ready. So what you can do is on 4 hours, another great strategy you can use when you draw that, you can always get to the habit of drawing the blue box on the 4 hours. If it break your 4 hours, you can put the buy stop, sell limit, and all the stuff in here. Either way,
Okay.
like that, you will know. Because
Okay.
right now we are in a sell, right?
Right.
But it's not fully ready there. Everything, everybody's getting dressed, is getting ready for the event, but it's not fully ready to go yet.
Perfect.
But
Perfect. Perfect.
don't forget or draw. Always get to the habit of drawing the blue box and put your orders pending in here. Either way.
Mm. Okay. Okay. That's a new.
Oh, this is good. Look at this one when it was bullish. Look, patience pays the bills, man. This is where the money is. Money is on the larger time frame. This is what I was talking. Someone sent me a message early this morning. They missed this one, and I think they entered late. I just don't remember. But if you guys see that, if let's say Elliott, for some reason he comes late on a trade, right? So let's say his trade is super late in here, and then a reversal come in. So I will not do anything. I will wait for that reversal. Now, how far is gonna drop down? This is what Elliott. This is what the most likely the market is gonna do. Always pay attention to your previous brothers and sisters, and the market will come and retest that area. Look at this one, brothers and sisters. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. It hit that. From there, you can put your buy here, your buy limit, and then goes up. Because this is Fibonacci, to be honest. If you pay attention, all the Fibonacci, it will respect this more than anything else. This is well respected because there's two larger time frame in there versus one. This is one alone, one alone. This is more weaker than these two guys here. Look, that's what is high and high, low and low, low and low. And then look at this guy here. This is huge. Why? Because we know the market is bullish. So now, if I originally, this is, let's bet. What do you think, Marin? What do you think will be the next stop on this sell here once it drop? Where do you think the market will reverse back?
It should come down to that next level of support.
On which one?
If it's a pullback, it's coming back towards your it's coming back towards.
Go ahead.
I can't see your lines right now. I'm on
It's
my
there.
phone.
Oh, right here. Look. See that?
Right.
Pay attention to this one, Elliott. This is a good example as well. So most likely it's gonna come back and retest exactly what I told you early. Let me make this a bigger. Look at here. It's kind of, that's the line that I draw. Can't be the line.
Yeah, that's the line.
No, that was not it. It was this one here. Every time you zoom out, it changes, but it's gonna. Oh yeah, it was there. Can I come back in there? So now, look at here. This is what the market is gonna do. It's
Is
gonna
it safe
come
to say
here.
is it safe to say it'll retest the structure that was created to the left of it
Yes, that's what it's gonna do.
and then pull back?
And then exactly from here,
Okay.
who's gonna come in your favor? Because this is where you want to be in.
Mm-hmm.
Your green is gonna pop in here, going in your favor. Because right now we know we are in a pullback.
Right.
Pullback can be large, pullback can be small. That's what I call pullback bad business, because we don't know how far it's gonna drop down. But
I've been learning about gold's pullback. Gold pullback to another day.
because
Yeah.
some people think just because this daily is here, it's gonna be one day. No, this can go for a month. This is a
Golly.
long way. That's what I'm telling you, man. Once you pop in, once you get this guy nice and neat, that's a very, very good area to trade. But market will not compensate you immediately, because some people, they think they're gonna be making money right away. It's about patience. But always get to the habit, 1, 2, 3 dots confirming your entry, then you are more secure. but always trade in favor of the trend, whatever trend is doing, because we don't, right now, we know we're doing a pullback.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Let's see what Euro GBP is doing. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. This is another great example here. Now, let me ask you the question here. Let me zoom out of the whole this. What's going on here? Marian,
Yeah.
can you
Let's
tell?
see.
It's easy.
Uh,
If you don't tell me this is that you have not watched those one-on-one.
hold on. I'm trying to. I gotta see through all the indicators. Let me see through the mess.
It takes seconds, man. This is too. Your
Bearish.
time expired.
I'm trying to make. All
Bearish.
right. I lose.
All right. Let's give it up to another person. The next person, explain this one to him, in details what's going on.
Hey, Irvin, this is Harold Greer.
Hey, Mr. Harold, explain him this trade for him.
It's bearish
Right.
with the brothers is on a it's on a buy.
Right. But what is that buy represent, Mr. Harold?
Pullback.
Pullback. That is correct. So now, do we trade those pullback? Yes, like Elliott said, you can trade them, but you better learn how to grab 20, 30 pips. Other than that, you're gonna feel sorry. But this is what? This is a BB, bad business. You missed this guy. This is the benefit of the system. I mean, you're gonna get to see exactly when the setups are wherever position they are positioning. But right now, this one is positioning against us, against our trend. Now, let me zoom back to normal, because maybe you are used to see the candles like a normal view, which is fine. But once you know what's going on with the market, you can do whatever you want. But look at here. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said on Sunday, I knew the market was not ready there yet because there was no signal yet. The market was still in I'm gonna do a huge pullback. But pay attention to this one, Elliott. Elliott, this is for you. Pay attention for this one. Look at here. What I was looking, obviously, the world didn't know, and they don't know what you guys know. Now we are live. They're just watching us fine. They can do whatever they want. But look at here. Why did I look here previously? See this guy here? Look, where did I pull my pullback, my continuation of the trend? Perfect. Perfect hit, guys. Boom! Right in the neck. And then what it was gonna do next? Exactly that, man. That was gonna drop. This is freaking amazing. 1, 2, done. Now, this is what Harold said, Mario. Mr. Harold said that this is a pullback. Jay Flores. Oh, by the way, guys, Jay Flores, if you guys haven't signed up to his YouTube, do so. The way how this guy do his analysis, he does it live. I like to draw mine ahead of time, but he like to draw it real time, and then he just tell you. But join his YouTube if you guys want to learn his style as well. Jay Flores Forex. But this is it. This is a pullback right now. To be honest, this pullback here. Look at the candle has not even closed yet. The 4 hours did close. The daily has not closed yet. So this is gonna be for the this is for tomorrow candle. To be honest, because the daily is still in a bullish position, so it can, it can do whatever it wants, but I just don't like it. There's no setup in here. What are we missing here? We're missing confirmation. There's no confirmation there. This is not sufficient here. This dots in there is not, but that's what it is. So that's why the market pulled down. Market is always going to reward you more in favor of the trend. If the trend is bearish, it's most likely your winning ratio will improve. One thing, guys, if you take a trade, let's say you take one trade and sometime you go like, Irvin, I took one trade, but that trade went against me. What did I do wrong, or how can I fix that? I don't know. At least you got to take 10, 15, 20 trade and analyze what mistake you are doing. Write it down in a piece of paper and don't repeat the same mistake. You know, you're here to fix whatever. Let's say you enter in a pullback, write it down in a piece of paper. I will not enter pullback. I will not enter pullback. And then in the third trade, you enter in a pullback again. Then you will know that you repeat the mistake number one. So this is the only thing that you write down your own mistake. Because a lot of people will tell you, hey, you know, when you take a trade, go back to the chart and see what you did wrong. But if you don't have rules, there's no way you will know what you're doing. Right now, if you guys did a trade here, you will know you went against. And here, if this one pay you well, obviously you won't even bother to know why I win this trade, because people are here more only to win, not to lose. But that was a good one. Any other question, Mr. Harold?
No, I'm slowly but surely figuring it out. I tell you what, as long as I stay with the trend and keep my consistency and patience, I'm doing very well. But when I start going against the trend or get in a hurry,
Oh my God.
it eats my lunch every time.
Yep.
But I'm learning. I'm learning that patience and staying humble. And I tell you what, this system is a hell of a system, Irvin.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. This is great, guys. Pay attention to gold. Oh my God, gold is in a bearish. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at this one, guys. This is meeting this is going with our rules. Oh gosh, this is an amazing one. Let me delete this one. Let somebody else unmute yourself and explain the world. This pair, this is gold here. Let me bring the watermark. For some reason, I'm having problems. See, I'm not seeing everything, and I didn't want to restart my computer until tomorrow because I need to teach tomorrow how to do this. If anyone wants to unmute yourself and explain the world what gold is doing right now, this is freaking amazing. Anyway, this is what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was going to be bullish. No, the market was going to be bearish. So it's just sitting in there. So it's just sitting in there. But this is a great one to explain. Who's that?
The market is bearish.
All right, cool. So look at this one. Who just popped in right now? This is gorgeous, guy. This is the month of what? September just popped in. Now, she says bearish. Look at who else is coming in our favor. Boom. Look, 1, 2. Is it the market is dropping? I think Liana make money on this one. I don't know if it's her on the line, but look at here. Market is dropping. Now, do we see any signal going as a reversal? Not yet. So the market, yes, is still performing as a sell. This is what we want. We want these guys in our favor now. One, obviously, it was not here. Now it has confirmed. Look at this. 4 hours, daily, and weekly is all lined up together. They're both of them. Then 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All these guys here are lined up. Macon, this is for you as well. I don't know why I hear echo, but this is it. Look, it's going in favor of the trend. This is what we want, guys. This is amazing. This is the type of trade that we want. I told you the month of September is gonna be a lot of sales, guys. This is what we're looking for. This is where the cash is. Pure. All right. Oops, I deleted the other one. Damn, man, all the analysis that I did this week, look, they're all top notch, guys. I don't know what GBP is doing. Look at, GBP went against us. This would have taken you out. Fine. Now, why this one went against us? Let's see. Who else, who want to answer this question here? Why did the market still pull back up? I said the market was gonna retrace back from that area, but no, this would have stopped you up. But why do you think the market still push up? Now, yes, we're seeing the brothers and sisters clearly.
Because your master trend is bullish.
Simple as that. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. So this is what I told everybody the market was gonna do on Sunday. I said, okay, guys, market is gonna do a pullback. Sure, mistake can happen. This is a great one to lose. I was wrong. But look at this one. So like she said, because the master trend is bullish, you always gonna win bullish, guy. If the master trend is bullish, you always gonna win bullish. If the master trend is bearish, you always gonna win bearish. Look, this is going against, we knew, obviously, the world don't know what we know. But here, we're going against the trend. If they want to know the full system, then they can come and join us. But look, I gave him the reversal here. No, the market spike up, boom. So you were right, not me, and this trade. This is a good one. That's good. Anyone else? Let me see. Gio says, this is the simplicity. No, Gio, this is not simplicity. This is multiple time frame. I'm no longer promoting their system. So I just work only trading 4 hours daily, weekly, and monthly. This is our multiple time frame. This is what the money is if you trade any lower time frame. As long as you know how to trade the multiple time frame here, then you can pop in on any lower time frame here. All right. So, but I'm not longer promoting their system. So hopefully that helps. And by the way, guys, don't forget to sign up on if you guys want to follow Jay Flores Forex. He's pretty good. He's pretty good, to be honest. I mean, it's a second opinion. You can watch mine and then say, okay, I like you. I like this other guy too. So he go by Jay Flores Forex, right? All right, so it's there. Any other question?
Yeah, I got one more question, Irv.
All right, you open the class and let's
I'll
close
close
it
it
with.
too, I guess. So if you're looking at a retrace, if you're going back into the trend on a green or a red 4-hour arrow, do you want to see a couple of dots with that too before you re-enter?
Yeah, you're always gonna need one or two. It's always gonna be there. 4 hours is more easier because in here, Elliott, it already happens.
The arrow is hiding 2 dots, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's hiding it. So that's why you're seeing the drop here. But because this is 2 of the larger time frames, we need to have those full verification. We know it's dropping, sure. But what is going to happen is once those 2 or 3, oh, this is too big. Let me make it smaller. This has to be red, right? Let me put it in red. Once the 1, 2, or 3 pop in there, oh, it has to be yellow, not red. Then most likely this guy is gonna reverse back. That's when it's gonna pierce in there, and then you will know from there the market is in a fully sell. Right now you end up. This is no clear entry yet, saying okay, let's go. You know, if you enter, sure you're gonna be biting your nail because it's gonna retrace back, and then it's gonna pay you whenever it's gonna pay you. But it's better off to always stick to rules and then get the money that way. But as soon as you start making money, always secure yourself, okay? In case of reversal, it will take you out, but you're gonna be out in a blue pips.
Can I suggest one, Irving?
Sure, go ahead, please.
Could we look at New Zealand CAD?
New Zealand. Let me go here. New Zealand CAD. What are you doing on that?
I'm selling, but I want to ask you whether it's still a valid sell. I think you'll see when you look at it.
Hopefully open it up. My God, the master trend is what, bearish?
Yeah, it's bearish.
Look, you got
What sorry.
this is a good one. This is a good one. This is the exact same thing what I've been talking, telling you guys. Okay, tell us here. Hold on. Let me check if it's really a sell. I think it's a bullish. See that it's missing the whole picture in here. See here? This is a good one to this for you. What are you missing here? Look, you got 4 hours.
Right.
4 hours is in there. Daily is in there. What else are you missing?
I'm missing the weekly.
So this is, to me, this is a no. So yes, this is a pullback. We know that. So in my opinion, yes, this guy's still valid here.
Okay.
So right now, how will you represent this?
I would say that it's okay. So I would say it's a pullback because it's going against the buy.
It's going against the buy. Always pay attention for the rules to be all lined up together. If the rules are not lined up together, that is a doubt. You question yourself. But your job in this business is not to try to figure out why it's doing what it's doing. If it doesn't meet your rules, just move on to the next one. Because you want to keep yourself nice, and it's a tune-up. You got to do the tune-up to your mind all the time, looking only for great setups. If it's not there, it's not there. Because a lot of people, believe it or not, they just want to know, Irvin, look, the blue dot is alone, but why is alone? Who cares, man? It does not meet our expectation. Just move on to another one that has a better entry. But this is bad. Are you in this one? Hopefully not.
No, I'm not.
Good. But this is too late. Even if you will have to enter as a buy, it's too late. So this is what I would do if I have to re-enter on this one. I will wait for this pullback to be end. Okay, let's pay attention. Let's see where it's gonna be the retracement. Let me make this smaller. All right, so let me put the line. You agree with me it's gonna be here?
Yeah. I'm not good with Fibonacci's, but yeah.
4 hours and daily. That's brothers and sisters.
Yes.
Look, previously 4 hours, brothers and sisters gonna pop in there. Look at all these touches. This is what I draw. This is what I come up with this system, guys, because I didn't want you guys to be doing exactly what I'm doing right now. Look at here. 1 touch, 2, 3, multiple touches here. Another touch here, almost barely there. Another one, multiple touches in there. Another here, multiple touches, support and resistance in there in that area. Now, since you asked for it, this is what the market is gonna do. Market is gonna pop in here. Who's gonna appear in that area there? Your continuation arrow. Then from there, you will be bullish. But I don't want you guys to do that. That's what it is. There is there. Look, all you gotta look for, brothers and sisters. But always get to the habit to zoom out the whole thing and look. Okay, what am I looking here? Is this a good entry or not? But this one you were right. It was doing the only thing you were wrong on this one. You were looking only at the blue dot. Always pay attention that all the brothers and sisters, all the multiple time frames are lined up together. But this is a good one. Hopefully you get value out of this one because this is a good one.
Yeah, I do. Thank you, Irvin.
Hey, Irvin, that helped me tremendously. This is Harold Greer again. Just that entry point, because that's one of the biggest problems I have is getting the right entry. But when you zoomed out and showed looking back to the left where this thing is going to possibly come back to, it just showed me, you know, open my eyes up tenfold to where this thing is really, how this thing really works. Appreciate that.
No problem, man. No problem. That's good. Always get to the habit, guys, to zoom out, look at the whole picture. Because look, a lot of traders, I'm telling you, a lot of traders, they will teach you this way, exactly how you're seeing it right now. They will tell you, let's say I pick you, Mr. Harrell. I say, Mr. Harrell, what do you think the market is gonna do here? This is what they're gonna tell you. I always repeat the same thing over and over because I know it's true. They're gonna tell you, well, look at this support and resistance there, high and high. Then what it's gonna do next if it come and retest your lower here? So you're gonna be buying here, you're gonna be selling here. No, you're not. What are you missing here? You still don't know what you're doing. 6 months from today, you still don't know what you're doing. 1 year from today, I had this trader, I think he has multiple years of experience on his belt, but he still don't know what he's doing. It's simply because the way how they see the market, they have been seeing the market in the wrong way. You got to look, what was the title of this video, guys? The title of this video was what? You know, how to get a sniper trading entries. How do you identify your entry, your sniper entry? Is very simple. It's how you're gonna be looking at for miles and miles away. Look at this one. We become the best sniper in the world here. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, boom. Market is bullish. Straight shot in their head. Boom, done. This is a bad sniper here. This is what the previous lady was telling. She was just confusing this, but I know this example that she asked, this will clarify her question. Now she will be this type of sniper here. She will be like, you know what, I was wrong. I thought I was right, but this is what I'm looking for here. This is the type of sniper you need. That's what I name it, a sniper. To be honest, I think it was Mr. Alban, Lee, and Ileana who were talking about snipers and so on. So I was like, man, that's a great title. So I mean, it got me excited. So that's why
Yeah, they were talking about it today, and they are snipers too. I'll be watching them, man. They be sniping.
Yeah, man.
I'm trying to get like that.
Yeah, and but this will help you to analyze the market as a sniper. It will help you out tremendously. You will know, okay, I'm in a bad business right now here. I got nothing to do. So let me look for something else. Someone just asked Meldon Jones on gold. We already talked about gold. Gold is is doing a gorge. Oh, look at this one, guys. Look, when we analyzed gold earlier, this is gorgeous. Look at how the system is. This system is awesome. Look at here. When we analyzed gold earlier, we knew we are here in a sell position, right? Everything lined up. Obviously, this is so separate to, I mean, the monthly just popped in right now because we in September. This is the month of September here. So look at here, bro. First, when I told you guys, when I analyzed the market, only 4 hours was there. This, Elliott, this is for you. This is what you asked me early. 4 hours was there, only the 4 hours and the dots. Now, look at here, the magic arrow covered up your red arrow. So now for gold to continue as a drop as expected, we want to see 2 or 3 yellow dots. Right now, the market is dropping. No matter what everybody's gonna say, market is dropping, but it's dropping in a slow motion. But it's performing exactly what the system is telling us here. It's telling us it's coming down. This is a good one. Good one. But look, this is what we want. We want these guys here, 2 or 3 dots at least, and then boom, we go up. Then same thing happens here. Now we're going with this guy here, with this brothers and sisters here. This is our main person here to trade. We're looking for sell position. 1, 2, 3. So gold, it is in a sell. If it reverse, it has to reverse back and retest this high here, most likely. Yeah, it will. It came and retested your golden area on Fibonacci. The golden area on Fibonacci are 3, 38, 50, 61. If you guys want to learn this, guys, this is what I did on my cell phone. I put a lock on my phone, and the way that I need to unlock my phone back in the day was putting a Fibonacci number, was 38, 50, and 61. And I go, okay, and that's how I memorized this, and I become a pro. The more you practice, the better off you get. Now I know what they're doing, but it's do something like that, because this is the best business in the world, guys. This is what the money is. And the knowledge that you are keeping to yourself is no one can ever compete with you. You can make $500 today, $1,000 today, versus many other professionals in the world that make only like $250, $300 a day working 9 to 5. And here you can make it in 1 hour, 2 hours, and you're done. Because this is a unique skills. This is a skills. All right. All right. So thank you, guys. So we're gonna be doing a live session for the world tomorrow, and don't forget to follow Jay Flores. I don't know when his training is, but he likes to teach in a different way, but it's pretty neat, pretty neat. If Joshua, you got any question before I let you guys go?
Yeah, Irv, I had wanted to see if you could check US 30 for me.
I don't know.
I have it right now in bullish for the sister and the weekly, monthly.
So your master trend is what, bullish?
Yep.
It's not coming up. Come on. Let me go. Let me open it from scratch. All right. Ooh, this is good one. All right. I don't like this one. What are you showing your system? Yes, it's bullish, but it's weird.
Okay, that's because all of them not on the same line.
Yeah, but you were not seeing that. Explain me originally, what were you seeing? Because I need to help you.
That's what I was seeing, and then I actually jumped in on a trade and earlier today in the 1 minute, and right now I'm still in the positive, so I'm trying to check to see when it's going to pull back or reverse.
So yeah, so you so since okay, so you are in a, this is supposed to be in a bearish market. If you're in a bullish, you need to get out. But
okay,
look,
so it's probably going to stop right there then.
Yeah, look, let's analyze this in a different way. Look, it's coming to retest your what, brothers and sisters?
Right.
So most likely from this area here, if it pop in, maybe it's gonna go a couple more pips in here. It's gonna retest this area here. This area here. And then what it's gonna do next? Look, brothers and sisters here, right? So it's gonna come back and retest this area here.
Okay.
In there. Then most likely it's gonna come back and retest this highs here as well. This is how I do my, pay attention to Jay Flores. He also like to do this as well. And then from there, boom.
Okay.
But always use previous market structure. That will help you out.
So I was actually in a pullback.
Yes, sir.
I'm not supposed to be in the pullback. I'm in the positive, so I'm gonna close that jigger out.
But look, you are in a positive.
Take the money and run.
That's what I'm gonna do.
But look, you're not positive because the system is telling you the market is doing what it's supposed to be doing. I don't know what the hell is that. Okay, look, you are making money simply because of what? Look, this is what Elliott was asking earlier. Look, you got the answer here. Look, the candle closed. I don't know when do you enter here. Look, that candle closed here on this the 4 hours closing here. Then this was your call. Let's say you would have entered here. Oh, that's why you were making money. Now,
Yeah,
do
I
that,
I got in at around 8 or no, well, about 8 or 9 or so, somewhere around it
yeah,
this morning. And I'm up about, I only used just a 0.01 and I'm up about 200 and something dollars.
yeah, look at right now. It's coming to retest the area that I'm telling you. Look. Boom. From there.
Okay.
Let me delete this. From there, that's what's gonna happen. Your retracement, your signal is gonna pop in there. So to be honest, I will grab my money and
Yeah,
hell
that's
out of
definitely
here,
what I'm
bro.
about to do. And I might jump back in on the sell.
Yeah, yeah. But wait for one or two that exactly how it appears in here. Because
Okay.
just remember, oh, Elliott asked this question. Because you need to be consistent. Look, if you would have popped in with a guy with brothers and sisters going in your favor, this is a huge, huge winning ratio in here. The money is only when it's in your favor, guys. No, the market is in a bearish right now, right? That was the master trend.
Right.
So yeah, this sell here is gonna be nice.
So look, because that it don't look lined up, would you think it might blow past that just a little bit more before it come back?
I mean, if it's not lined up, let's not find the, the solution why it's doing whatever it's
Yeah.
doing. It's just not there. It's not there. Because
Okay.
if you're trying to find out why it's performing the way it's performing, you're gonna get confused and you're still
Yeah.
never gonna be satisfied with the answer. So it's better
Okay.
off to go and look for something that meets your qualification and move on.
Gotcha. All right.
Mhm. Perfect. All right, so let me stop the YouTube. All right, YouTubers, thank you, and I will see you guys tomorrow. But you guys have any other question? Stop recording. I don't even know how to stop the YouTube, man. But what about you guys? Any question? Any other one? Because this is it. This today was amazing, to be honest. And congratulations to all those snipers, to be honest. You guys are killing it. Keep doing what you're doing. Follow the rules. Multiple time frame is what the money is. Like it or not. I didn't even know what logo to create in here. That's what I put those canyons in there. I was like, you know what? There's some sniper in there. So, but yeah, congrats, guys. So thank you again, and come back tomorrow and we talk more. All right.
Thank you, Irving.
No problem.
Thank you, Irving.
All right, no problem. Take care then.
Thank you.
Sure.